welcome back to this video, chapter 6, 3-dimensional geometrical shapes, and this video is for part 3 of this chapter, which is 6.3, the surface area of 3-dimensional geometrical shapes. Okay guys, to find the surface area of 3-dimensional shape, we must add in all the area of its surface. Before that, look at these tips. 2-dimensional shape has two measurements, length and width, which will give the surface area. 2-dimensional shapes do not have volume. And 3-dimensional shape has the measurement length, width and height. The 3-dimensional shape have volume. This one I already explained in first video of this chapter. Okay, let's look at the example. Okay, this one is a prism in 3-dimensional shapes, and when you laying out this prism, you will get its nets. So based on its nets, you can find the surface area of this prism. Do you know how to find the surface area of cube? Yeah, to find the surface area of cube, you have to find the area of the square and multiply by 6 because cube have 6 square faces. Example, given the length of side of this cube is 4 cm. So to find the surface area of a cube, 6 times area of square, 6 times 4 times 4, because the side of this cube is 4 cm, and you will get 96 cm square. Okay, next look at how to find the surface area of cuboid. To find the surface area of cuboid, let's say this one is the example that I gave you, is it have this side square faces. Okay, this side is square face. So find the surface area of this cuboid is 2 times area of square for this side and this side. Then you add with the other rectangular faces. Okay, let's look at this example. Given that this height is 4 cm, the base for this side is 4 cm, and the length of this side is 10 cm. So when you laying out this cuboid, you will get this net. Okay, this one 4 cm for this side, and also this one also 4 cm, because this one, you look at this 3D shape, this one square face, so this one 4 cm, and also this one 4 cm. Okay, and this length is 10 cm. So to find the surface area of this cuboid, 2 times area of square, which is 4 times 4, plus 4 area of rectangle, 4 times 10. Then you will get the surface area of this cuboid 192 cm square. Alright, now how to find the surface area of cylinder? As you know, cylinder have 2 circular faces and 1 curved face. Okay, so based on this net, you have 2 circles and a rectangle. Okay, so this curved face, when you laying out, you will get a rectangle. Alright, so to find the surface area of cylinder, 2 times area of circle plus with the area of rectangle. Therefore, you have to know what is the length of this rectangle. Okay, to find this length is actually equal to the length of circumference of this circle. Okay, therefore this one 2 times pi r square, because to find the area of circle, the formula is pi r square. And this one, to find the area of rectangle, 2 pi r is the length of circumference, which is equals to the length of this rectangle multiplied by its height. Okay, the formula to find the surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. Let's look at example. Let's say the radius given is 7 cm and the height is 16 cm. And you know the formula to find the surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. Then substitute the value into the formula. In this case, we substitute the value of pi 22/7, value of radius 7 cm, and the height of the cylinder 16 cm. Then you will get the answer 1012 cm square for the surface area of this cylinder. What about cone? Cone have one circular base and one curved face. So to find the formula of area of a cone is area of circular base plus the curved area, which is pi r square plus pi r s. To find this area is pi times radius of the circular base times its slanting length. Let's look at example. You know the formula to find the surface area of cone is pi r square plus pi r s. Then substitute the value into the formula. Pi r square, r is 7 cm. The length of slant is 18 cm. So you will get 550 cm square for the surface area of this cone. Now look at the surface area of prism. To find the surface area of a prism, you have to find the uniform cross-sectional area. In this example I gave you, it is a triangle. Therefore, you have to find this area by using triangle formula. Multiplied by 2 because it have 2 congruent faces here. And then you plus with the area of rectangle. Okay, this one is the example. Given this side is 6 cm, this side 8 cm, and this side 15 cm. This one is the net of this prism. Okay, this one 6 cm and this one 8 cm. the length of this side is 15 centimeter. Then you have to find this side. How to find this side? You have to use Pythagoras theorem. Then this one is 10 centimeter equal to this side. Actually, this rectangle is from this slanting face. Okay, and another rectangle, the length of this side 8 centimeter for the vertical face. This one, the vertical face. Okay, so this one is 8 centimeter. Okay, then you calculate. This one is the area of triangle. 2 triangle times 1/2 times 6 times 8 plus the first rectangle 6 times 15, second rectangle 10 times 15, and the third rectangle 8 times 15. Okay, then you add all the area to find the surface area of this prism. Now look at the surface area of pyramid. Okay, in this example, I give you a square base pyramid. So the formula to find the surface area of pyramid is area of base plus area of triangular side. Okay, this one is the height of this pyramid. And this one is the slanting length of this pyramid. To find the area of this triangle, you have to use the slanting length. Okay, this one is equals to slanting length, not the height of this pyramid. Okay, this one is example. Okay, given this side 10 centimeter and this one is a square base pyramid, therefore this side also 10 centimeter, and the height of this pyramid 12 centimeter. Okay, 10 times 10 is for the square base area plus 4 triangular face. To find the area of triangle, you have to find this length. You have to find the slanting length. How to find the slanting length? You have to know this one first. This length is half of this length, 5 centimeter. So by using Pythagoras theorem, you can find the slanting length of this pyramid, which is 13 centimeter. Okay, this one is 13 centimeter. That's why this one 4, because 4 triangle times 1/2 times 10 times 13. Then we will get the surface area of the pyramid is 360 cm square. The last one is surface area of a sphere. The surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square. Let's say the radius given is 14 centimeter. Just substitute into the formula 4 pi times r square. Okay, so that's all for the surface area of 3-dimensional shapes. Please do this exercise and then submit into Google Classroom. So see you in next video.